are just the basic slalom tricks that you can learn as a beginner, and also you can show off to your child, your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, everyone. The first trick that we're going to learn, or the first basic fundamental slalom trick that anyone should start off, is called a snake. This is a cone. We're trying to go in and out of a cone. This trick is very easy. When you want to do it, you make sure, if you're a beginner, for balance, you have to swing with your hands, and also if your hips goes this side, your legs go that side. Go in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. If you're a beginner, even the best thing you can do is start by walking inside the cone. You go up, you go down, you go up, you go down, up, down. The second and simple trick that you can do and will help you maneuver around and everything is what is called a snake, but with one leg. This is what I mean. You go, the snake simple, but one leg is outside, the other leg is inside. You should also always be comfortable with both turns, both legs, so that in case of anything you can maneuver right, at the same time maneuver left. The purpose of this leg, the purpose of the leg that is just standing, is to push you forward. And this other leg is to direct weight. So the third trick that you can show off, or you can do it, it's called a lemon. It's a very simple trick. At the same time, it can help you brake. Once you know how to brake, it's like you're closing your leg in. You can do both sides, out and in. Basically what we're trying to do is we're going to do the same trick, but we are repeating it several times to make a sequence. Okay, then repeat. Yeah, so guys, I think that's it for this video. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you want to learn how to skate, we have done so many videos in this channel. You can check the link, any link up here. At the same time, check our previous video to be a pro skater. At the same time, show it to your child, your friend, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your son, your daughter. Yeah, I think that's it for this video, and I will see you on the next video. Let's go.